Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete your Facebook page. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now I want you to click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen or bottom right corner of the screen, whichever it is on your end, and switch to your page. Once switched, I need you to click on the menu icon again. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Access and Control. Tap on that. As you can see, there is already an option to deactivate page, unpublish page, but this is only temporary. But what are we gonna do is to delete page, which is permanent. So select on that, click continue, and it will ask why do you want to delete the page, or you can just skip on that. And here there will be an option to save posts in your archive or download your information before deleting the page. And once you already done downloading your information or save post in your archive, you just need to continue. And it will ask for your Facebook password. And once that's done, you just need to click on continue once again, and that will delete your page. And actually, that's it. That's how you delete your Facebook page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.